where all think alike, no one thinks very much. In inter- and transdisciplinary research projects, we really want to involve manifold voices and thoughts. But what does that mean for research managers who design the framework and facilitate the process? In this video, you will learn about how we design and facilitate the research process in Bavarian research associations, the advantages of an external management office, and you will get some best practice examples. But who are we anyway, and what is a Bavarian research association?
Hello, my name is Sabine Toussaint. I'm working as research manager for inter- and transdisciplinary research projects. Here I'm speaking for a team of colleagues in 2 management offices. Here we are. We gained expertise by providing the coordination for 3 research associations, all funded by the Bavarian Ministry of Science and Arts. Bavaria is a federal state in the southeast of Germany. Here you can see the structure of these associations. 10 to 12 single research projects are located at different universities in Bavaria, and what is specific for the funding line, we have an autonomous external management office with its own budget, and that's us. This office is not involved in the research process as such, but plans and organizes the internal communication and working process, the external communication, and the controlling of the overall budget. Here, in the next few minutes, we would like to share 3 statements on good research management and some examples out of our work. Let's go.
First, we would like to argue that research management and the research on the scientific topic have to take place in separate fields of responsibility and budget. But what are the main advantages of this separation? First, it ensures a high standard of process management. We provide skills in facilitation, dialogue methods, conflict management, and science communication. And we constantly improve these skills because it is our main job and purpose. Second, the researchers are exempt of most of the administration, which leads to more time for their research work. Planning of resources is also much easier for them. And third, the power balance and equality among the research partners are easier to establish from outside. We have the time and know-how to design decision and participation processes. And that leads us to our second statement about the involvement of researchers and partners from practice. Although the responsibility for the process is outsourced to the management office, all members have to be involved in the decision and working process with the least possible investment of time. The outcomes are wise decisions, high transparency, and a very good standard of reliability and engagement in the group. Here are 3 examples out of our work. A. We establish well-facilitated meetings to discuss and decide about strategy and planning with the co-speakers, a steering group, and in the annual members meeting. B. The working groups, where the interdisciplinary work takes place, are led by PhD students or postdocs. They are doing most of the work and have the right and responsibility to decide about what and how they want to work. As soon as they need support of the PIs or the management office, they receive it. C. In the Association for Democracy, about 40 partners from practice are involved. In order to integrate them into the overall research process, a so-called practice conference is held once a year. This year, we even involved some of the partner institutions to prepare the content and agenda of the conference. The result was that the conference got along very well, even without scientific keynotes, which is partly a novelty for scientists. Last but not least, Bavarian research associations have the duty to enrich the discourse on the societal problem they work on. So our last statement is about the importance of a good science communication. We believe science communication needs strategy and constant care in one hand. The management office is responsible for the communication strategy. Besides, we service websites, blogs, social media, newsletters, and so on. But the content has to be generated by the researchers. So each research member agrees by signature to actively participate in science communication at the start of the project. Then they are highly supported by the management office with formats, tutorials, and technical help. Not to forget reminders. We would like to show you some examples of how the output can look like. At the ForDigitHealth Research Association, we created a digital Twitter advent calendar last year that incorporated some research findings and insights. In addition to websites and social media, we also maintain a scientific blog. Here you can see some examples for a blog series, which means that several projects publish their special expertise under the same topic. We've just given you a brief insight into our work here. However, we are very interested in exchanges on research management in order to learn more and to further professionalize ourselves. But for now, we would like to say thank you and goodbye.